Hello guys, today I'm gonna teach you how to play the ukulele. Let's begin.
Know your instrument.
So already what you want to know before you want to actually start playing the instrument, which is in this case the ukulele, is what exactly is a ukulele? It's comprised of 4 strings, which are these, and the strings go in this order. Big, less, big, big, small, and they can be tuned using these 4 tuners.
Know your song.
It's called Manchester by Kishibashi. Here's how the first chord goes. You're gonna want to hold down these 3, except for the last one, leave that one open. Nope, that's not it either. Wait. And then you want to play the second chord, holding down all 4 strings. And I'm afraid that's all we have time for. Tune in tomorrow for something completely different. And thank you for watching. I hope you learned what you could from this. I will now play you guys off with one of my personal favorites. I wrote this. It's called Summer Meadow, Easy River. And it goes a little something like this. Summer Meadow, easy river, cold as ice, makes me shiver.